currently Friday morning. I am off work today and we are off to Pilates, my favourite thing ever. I have a former studio just literally opened like near us, which is amazing. Let me show you the best morning combination as well. So we've got the L'Oreal Revitalift Filler Moisturiser in the little square pump, and then the L'Oreal Bright Reveal Daily Fluid Tinted Glow Sun Cream, and I literally just put a bit of that in there, mix it together, and your skin just looks absolutely incredible. Literally just mix it in with my hands. A bit on my lip as well, because my lip is so dry, like all across here from like running and sweating, but I can't really get rid of it. Like no amount of lip balm is doing anything. Like I'm putting actual moisturiser on it at this point. And yeah, let's head to Pilates. I have to show you this. I'm gonna put this on for the first time today. My aloe hoodie. It has been sat in the bag for a few weeks and I was trying not to wear it to my birthday because it was a birthday present, but we're gonna put it on today because I think I deserve it, in all honesty. This is the Accolade hoodie in black. This is in a medium as well. I definitely think I do like a bigger hoodie, but I think I could have got away with a small as well in this, to be honest. They're not like small sizes or anything like that, which I can't stand. Oh, love it. Let's go. I'm laughing. What a sorry sight of toast that is, but it was what was left and what needs eating. I've got a quick slice of toast and a quick cup of tea because I'm so hungry. I don't think I can go without eating, so I'm going to enjoy this and then we're literally going to leave in like 10 minutes. We are all finished at Pilates. I didn't film because there's literally, well, there was 5 people in the class today, but I feel like it's too small to be filming in there, isn't it? But it was really good today. It was a really hard session actually, and I've done 2 of the PT sessions with her this week as well, so I think my body was about to fall off. We're now in Durham. We're going to go for some breakfast. I'll show you where because it's literally the best spot ever. If you're ever in Durham, you have to come because how nice are the breakfasts? They are unreal. So we're going to head there now once I've done a 100-point manoeuvre to get into the smallest car parking space in the world. And then the 2 people in the cars next to me pulled up after I got in the space and pulled out. I was like, right. So anyways, let's go get some breakfast. back in the car after a little mooch around Durham. This was my book of choice and Waterstones, rewitched. This author, Lucy Jane Wood, was on TikTok trying to sell our next book. Do you remember what it's called?
Rewitch Part 2.
Rewitch Part 2. And she absolutely sold to me. So I bought that because it was on the offer in Waterstones. And what book did you get? I had to pick a book for Abby because she never wants to pick a book. This is Kindle Gal over here. But Abby, is this a new series?
Yeah.
The new series, new Richard Osman series, separate to the Thursday Murder Club. Is that out on Netflix?
Oh, is it out today?
Is it? That's weird.
Is it out? It's either today or Monday.
But yeah, they were 2 picks in Waterstones. To be honest, I could have bought the whole of Waterstones, but they didn't have the 2 horror books I wanted, which I don't know whether to wait and try and get them in the other Waterstones, or I might do that, to be honest. But yeah, there are our purchases. Guys, I literally feel like I'm on holiday. I think because, like, you know when you have a shower and it's still, my hair is soaking. You know when you have a shower and it's still like boiling hot outside? Yeah, do you know when you have a shower on holiday and it's still like boiling hot outside? That's very much how I feel. And I put pajama bottoms on because tell me why I don't own like any shorts. I own gym shorts and honestly that's about it. So right, it's a few hours later now. I thought we would take this out. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. We need a plate. One thing I need to buy for this house is some more like nice serving things. I don't really think, like, we've got a chum but it's like this big. But yeah, this looks absolutely incredible. Are you ready? The fact we've come out with this, let me show you. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. Shall I cut a little bit and have a little taste? Let's cut the first slice. To be fair, I think that could have been cooked a bit more. Look at that. Should we try? That is incredible. That's absolutely amazing. Right, I'm gonna save that. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, that's the first thing I've ever made that's really nice, you know. And I actually think it's fine. You gotta remember, it's banana loaf, and banana loaf is like stodgy. She's done it for once in my life.